Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your credit card on Venmo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in venmo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Venmo website. Now first of all, click on the login button at the top right corner to end up within the login portal. From this page, simply enter your email address, your username or your phone number and tap on the next button. Then you will need to enter your password and click on sign in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into your home page from which you can scroll over to pay with Venmo and then click on the Venmo credit card option. You will then be taken into your credit card page from which you can tap on the activate button and then proceed with entering your card details. And after entering your card details, you can simply click on the activate button to proceed with activating your card. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to activate your credit card on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.